Now we come to next class of awards. This is for prestigious winner for innovation in rolling stock components, one of the very critical cog in the wheel of railways. This goes to Jindal Lifestyles Limited. Please come forward for that. Jindal Lifestyles Limited.
Jindal Lifestyle Limited, a consumer and design-centric arm of Jindal Stainless Limited, regarded as one of the world's largest integrated manufacturers of stainless steel. Jindal Lifestyle is committed to creating an aspirational stainless steel culture in India. Together, they are striving to make a richer life experience by infusing modern sensibilities and design into stainless steel for decades.
Good afternoon to all of you, and special thanks to Rail Analysis team and to the plant team especially for this award and their effort for this product. Thank you.